What if the answer is, it feels like a trap? You hear, what's blue and smells like red paint? And your brain reaches for something smarter. You guess a can, then a painted tool, then an impossible trick. Every answer sounds clever, but none hold up. Someone laughs and says, it has to be deeper than that. That's when the room gets tense, because complicated feels safer than obvious. But the riddle does not move. It sits there, plain and stubborn, while every fancy answer falls apart. The truth is waiting in the simplest shape possible. Question is not hiding the answer, it is exposing the habit of chasing harder roads than you need. Sometimes the clean answer is the one you reject first. Painter sees the mess and smiles. Blue paint, they say, and the room goes quiet. Nothing magical, nothing hidden. Not every problem needs a maze. Some need one honest look, one honest answer, and the nerve to stop decorating it with extra noise. In work, in school, even in relationships, we burn time trying to look clever when clear would save us faster. The hard part is not finding truth. It is trusting it. So when your mind starts building a giant machine for a tiny problem, stop and ask, what if it is just blue paint? That question can save you hours. Because the loudest answer is not always the best one. The plain answer is often the one that feels too small to be right, which is exactly why it matters. That tiny shift changes everything. You stop wrestling the problem, and the problem stops growing. Peace shows up where panic used to live. Blue paint, just blue paint. And that is the point. When life gets noisy, the clean answer is usually the one you rejected first. Comment the last thing you made harder than it needed to be.